Hello, class. I just wanted to explain what I was wanting you to do on this worksheet. First part of it is this top part where I want you to classify each of the following as a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid by placing an X, a Y, or a Z next to each element. So we learned about nonmetals, metals, and metalloids last week, and I just wanted you guys to get some practice with that. I think it's a pretty straightforward activity. It helps if you have your periodic table pulled up with the notes, especially the ones that we've made of where each one is. So I'll pull up our periodic table, for example, and it just kind of helps you to look at where our metals are. So we remember we have a staircase right here for our metalloids, and everything to the left except for hydrogen is a metal, and everything to the right is a non-metal, with our metalloids being in our staircase. So you might have to look back at some notes, but all I want you to do to give me an answer is what I've done here for fluorine, is just put a little dash and then a letter. So fluorine is a non-metal. Fluorine is a non-metal because it is up here in our right of our staircase. So please complete the other elements all the way through cobalt just by placing a little letter next to them. The next thing I was hoping you guys could do is, after learning about our reactivity yesterday, rank the following elements in terms of ionization energy. So we learned about our different trends in our periodic table. Again, it might be helpful to look at our periodic table to help find each element and then rank the biggest ionization energy at the first one. So that should be the one most to the top and to the right of the table. So just simply, I would start by finding each one of these elements and then looking at how they are on our table. So for example, I see silver and tungsten. So silver would be here and our tungsten would be here. So silver would go higher on this list than tungsten. So just do that for each one of them. And if our next one is silver and lead, then our lead is here. So this one is a little bit of a judgment because lead is more to the right but silver is higher up. But I would say lead would probably be the next one in our I would put lead above our silver. So right now it'd be lead, silver, and then tungsten. But please go through and complete that for our ionization energy, and then the same thing for electronegativity. So kind of look at each one of these, find each atom and then our element on our table, and then use our trends from our notes to determine which rank we should go in. And then we have another one that says electronegativity that I really wanted to say size. So I'll update this. This should be the following in terms of their atomic radius. So remember, our radius, our biggest elements are to the left and down. So I will update our homework real fast, but that is what I was hoping you guys could do. Thank you.